Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Igama lami ngu-Oyama, and I am super excited to introduce you guys to a guest of mine today. This is my cousin, Uzizo.
Girl, come on.
Okay, so this is my cousin Uzizo, and today's video is basically about 16 days of activism against women and child. I do not say that right, but it's against women. 16 days of activism against women and child abuse. That's yes. Right. If you don't know, the 16 days of activism start on the 25th of November and ends on the 10th of December. But every day is 16 days of activism. Okay. Ziza is here as my guest because she has a really powerful story to share with you guys and to share just with everyone. So I'm hoping that in this course of 16 days you guys get to watch this and share it with a lot of people that you know, and it just impacts someone's life and gets people a voice so that they're able to share their stories and come out and just share experiences that are painful in reality, but because we need a better justice system, I really think these stories need to be shared. Over to you, Zizo. Please give us a short background of who you are and yeah, where you grew up.
Hey guys, my name is Zizo Apleni. I'm the firstborn of 3 kids, born to a single mother. Dazalelwa eDutywa and grew up in East London, and yeah, here I am now. So in
what was it? It was a couple of years ago. I saw a post of yours on Facebook about was it last year?
Last year. Yes.
Guys,
it's been a year now.
Guys, I've known Zizo for so long.
It's been a year now.
Guys, I've known her for so long. When he posted 2017. Well, 2017. Oh my soul. Fine. So I saw your post and I was like,
what?
You are lying. Okay, I wasn't saying you were lying, but I was like, are you kidding me? How you think you look at someone and you see joy and you see happiness, you don't know where they come from, and that's exactly what I used to see. I was like, "Hey, Zizo, eh?" And that's how I found out about your story in 2017. Yes. So tell us about
that. The whole story though began. Okay, my story. Let me say my story. It began because my parents, they were not like they were not married, and like holidays she comes to me so to my utter surprise dear kutata whatever, and then I find out that before living with him he was very caring. He'd buy me things, yonke lanto, with my mom, go buy me clothes, yonke lanto. And then now this year, 2001, I was 7, and he asked that I must go study at Umtata, and I was like, yay, come on, the city life. And then during the course of my stay, I find out that he's abusive. We are better stepmother one. So now that passes, but during the time a better stepmother one, now mama we are better, and then she runs away with my little sister. Then Abalek and I, they go, and then that night he raped me.
And that was your first encounter.
That was my first encounter, and to me as a child I was like, okay, this is what is supposed to happen. All dads do. Yes, all dads do this to their children, and what. But hey, and yeah, and whenever during the course of the year, whenever it happened, it was that what.
So it started when you were 7.
7, yes. And then 2000. I guess because my mom tells me that she went there one day to go see me because Tishala being 20, and so she says that she went to go see me this one time, and she found that I was very thin, like okay, no, I don't like this, blah, blah, blah. But it was like in the middle of the year, and she's like, okay, I'll take her though next year. So but when I think about it now, in as much as I was not able to talk about it, but the pain was...
You knew it was wrong.
I knew it was wrong,
but you don't know how to say it.
You know, and now, no, I did not know it was wrong.
Really?
No, I didn't.
Because it was a situation that you thought was normal.
Yes, so I thought it was normal. It was what was supposed to be happening. But now, I think my body was trying to fight, because I was genuinely happy there. If he was not raping me, then he was an excellent father. But now, my body was just trying to tell someone, man, no, there's something wrong with this child, because the pichile, and I'm not a pichile person, as you can see, but then like my neck was long and you see, but I was staying with my father, so that was an alarm bell. So mom one tata the following year, 2002, and it happened because okay, June holiday she must come. So whenever I go to my dad, he'd rape me. So fast forward years later, 2006.
That's like you were 12.
I was 12 now, and I had started my period. Ndihlala ke ngoku boarding school eQuba. And then now, while there, I tell boarding master, okay, I started my period at school, whatever. And she like explains to me, and she's like, okay, if a boy touches you, you are going to get pregnant. And I'm like, whoa, okay, I do not want to get pregnant. It's one of the things. And there's about what being pregnant means. But it's getting the letter to a guy, but if you hey. So the following day at school, see, I changed into groups. And it happens that I cried. Just like,
oh my Lord.
Woo! I cried, and then like, teacher and Visa, what's wrong? Like, hey, I'm sitting next to a boy. If this boy touches me, I'm gonna get pregnant. And it's dismissed, but okay, no, it's not. That's not how it happens. You'll learn about it the following year. Okay, I'm like, okay, but I can't do play with boys. Like, I can't do. I gave them life carried on. And then weeks later, Auntie Mo, I understand the stories now about, like, starts reading our stories, like, and then she comes across the story of a child being touched by an uncle with private parts, and I'm thinking, okay, go uncle why, so it's wrong. Nah, it's my dad, so you're right. So I dismissed that too, and then comes the following visit to my dad, and I tell him, bruh, this is what I heard, like, you can't touch me like this, you can't touch my private parts like this, you can't. And then the threats started. Then he threatened me by like saying, if ever you talk about this, your mom will never believe you and you'll never be loved again. You'll be an orphan, like no one will love you. You was about secluded way because when you are telling these big lies. And I am 12 at that time. I do not want to be called a liar. I don't want my mom to stop loving me. I don't want to stop not having a family. So it carries on. And then now, fast forward to 2013. You're not 2013, 2007. I am 13, yes. And then now it's my final year at the primary school, and farewell. So they decided, he's buying me clothes. Okay. Then this time, I go to Mtata, he rapes me again. Okay, and then, but now I am sick. Like, I am vomiting, but now the problem is that, boarding, mama boarding school, akakho around because so she's busy preparing for the schedule for next year, for the next day, so she's not able to see that I'm sick. And in morning sickness, I was like always like after school, so I can't get during that time. So yeah, I'm school, I'm like so sick. I'm thinking, okay, maybe I ate something wrong. And then fast forward to a few days later, this is school, and I get this pain. Oh my gosh, I get this pain. And I get this pain, an ambulance is called. Okay, I go to the hospital. Hey, Kelly. They take the tests, and then the doctor's like, okay, why don't you just do a pregnancy test just to see, just to rule out everything. Yeah, I think it's positive. Hey! I would have freaked out if they would go. I was like, woohoo! following day to look for school, she's like, no, your mom is coming, you can't go to school. And my mom comes and she takes my things, like it's a junction go M2 mos. Yeah. So kasizofika phayana kwi junction, and then she asks like masizo. So do you ever talk meet sengibani kangaka ungumntana wena qala. And I'm like, girl,
what is that?
What is that? And how does it happen? And she tells me a guy takes his penis and puts it in your vagina. I'm like, oh, just like that. I'm like, what? And then Mosukuba stepfather one day.
Yeah.
And she's like, not Lona, Losam Tat. Oh, and then she's like,
and that's your biological father.
That's my biological father. And it's like, and then she asked me, she's shocked, and then me say, and they asked me how. I'm like, mama, 2001. And Asfika police station and Willow Vale, they advise us that no, go to Umtata because that's where the whole crime happened. Don't. We go to Umtata and Nyanike, we make each other payana, they take my statements, and now I have to go do babonisa no basa slala. Pinya do bonisa luckily wabe kona wabanjwa ke kanjalo. I go back to school the same day. Did I not receive a call this was already 80 udud uyaphika
ubayena bengenzi lo
bantu khange enze lonto. So I have to come back to Umtata, or I have to go back to Umtata. And figure out my police and
it becomes a big case.
So it becomes a really big case now, and they're like, luckily she's pregnant, so
we can prove that happened.
Yes, it happened. So she has to have like
a DNA
termination of pregnancy first.
So to get the DNA, they had to terminate your pregnancy.
Yes, they had to. And okay, cool. Then I'm like, no, I need to go finish school. Then I go back to school, and while then I come back for like a weekend. But while there for the weekend, I get these pains and I start bleeding, and everyone is like hysterical. I remember the way the blood was so. They had to use disposable nappies, like my
a heavy flow.
Yes, my brother was like still a baby, and they had to use his disposable nappies too, because they had not. I could not waste any of that blood coming out in case there is something that they could use for the DNA. You see? So the Sayam Tat, it was a whole process. But in a nutshell, like that is my story. I was raped by my dad and I became pregnant. Like I feel that God was really on my side, because if I had not gotten pregnant, I still think even now it would not have been like I would not have been able to talk about